Hi, this is Jim Rio at Phillips Chevrolet in Frankfort, the #1 Chevy dealership in Illinois. I'm sitting in a brand new 2021 Suburban. It's a Premier. It's got everything in it you can think of. It's a beautiful vehicle, and I'm just going through some of the things that I show my customers. The thing that I really like on this vehicle, it's got the folding mirrors on the side. So, you know, it's a big vehicle. So if you happen to pull into a little bit of a tighter spot, maybe like even your garage might be a little bit tight, you can actually fold the mirrors in and out. You got the 2 buttons right here to operate, and all I have to do is press the button and the mirrors just fold it in, push it on the other side, or I'm sorry, hit the same side, and they reopen. Very simple, anybody can do it, but you know, once they fold in, it's giving you that little bit more room. So, or maybe you pull into a tight spot and you don't want, you know, somebody opening up their door and hitting your mirror. That's really a nice feature that they close like that. And then all you gotta do is hit the button when you get in the car and you wanna drive, and just set it right back up to where you had it. Very easy to do, very simple. If you happen to be in Frankfort, stop on in and say hello to Jim.